सर्वे म्यूट् मध्ये भवन्तु। आरम्भं करोतु महोदय।
ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
You've done very well, Mahoday. You got the Sambodhana forms also correct. Saraswati, you said not Saraswati. Nice, very nice. Others also, if you want to do a Prarthana Shloka, send me a message. We'll again repeat the order. It will be the second time for everybody. Now that we have better knowledge on how to do Sambodhana and all that, this time hopefully there will be a better way of doing the Prarthana Shloka from everybody. Astu. Any questions from last time?
नमस्ते भानु महोदय, अहम् एकं प्रश्नं पृच्छामि वा?
पृच्छतु महोदय।
वयं सर्वनामपदानि यद् शब्दाः पुल्लिङ्गे स्त्रीलिङ्गे नपुंसकलिङ्गे च पठितवन्तः. So basically we studied the word pairs. For example, यः पठति सः यः पठति सः छात्रः, and where they stand for she, he, that, those, who, those, whoever, whichever. Along the similar lines, we do come across certain word pairs. For example, yada tada, like in Bhagavad Gita chapter 4 verse 7, yada yada hi dharmasya. Or another very profound shloka, yad bhavam tad bhavati. So here again, it's in the former one it is like when, then, and in the latter one it is as, so, in the case of yad bhavam tad bhavati. So my question is, do all these word pairs, they belong to the same family, or like how do we classify these word pairs? एतत् अहम् अवगन्तुम् इच्छामि महोदय।
अवगन्तुम् इच्छामि, अस्तु। So they don't have to be in pair. Usually they go in pairs because in normal case sentence construction, it makes sense to make them in pair. यदा धर्मस्य ग्लानिः भवति तदा विष्णुः अवतारं स्वीकरोति. But it doesn't have to be like that. यदा अहं गृहम् आगच्छामि भोजनं करोमि, there tada is implied. So just because we are using yada doesn't mean we have to use tada. Same way, just because we are using yaha or ya, we don't have to use the corresponding pair words in tad shabda. The reason we are learning like that is usually they go in pair. And also I wanted to show that the yad forms in all the vibhaktis and the tad forms in all the vibhaktis, they rhyme. So if you learn one, you are as good as learning the other one. Same way with skim, they also rhyme. Simply substitute ya with sa and you'll have the yad table and sal table. And simply substitute sa with ka and you'll have the kim table in all three lingas. It is just to show that they rhyme. It's just a way for you to remember they are very similar. It's just a mnemonic. It's a way of remembering them, but they don't have to go in there.
अस्तु महोदय, धन्यवादः.
अस्तु. अन्ये प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? गृहकार्यस्य विषये किमपि संशयः अस्ति वा? प्रश्नः अस्ति वा? अस्तु. Today is I think class number 32. We have covered 10 more classes since the last revision we had. So now you can imagine what's going to come from my mouth as the next sentence. We'll have a small revision test in the next class. It will be very straightforward. No trick questions, no out of syllabus questions as Narayanan Mahodaya says. It will be just a way for all of you to revise what you have learned. So today we will finish the Sarvanama Vibhakti form of Dvitiya Vibhakti. And next class, today we will do some revision. Next class will be all revision. And then this will be a take-home test. So we will send the question paper on Wednesday or something like that. And then you'll have 1 week to answer it, just like you have time for answering your homework. The only thing is, please don't refer to a book once you start writing the test. It's for your own understanding of where you stand, what you need to improve on, and things like that. So it will cover only what we did from the last revision test, which was like an oral test in the class. I think that was class 21 or 22. So everything from that. So primarily about what is a Vibhakti. I mean, we are not going to ask definitions of anything. Identify the Prathama Vibhakti or identify the different Vibhakti, similar to what we did in homework 27, but very simple sentences. And then what is the Pradhama Vibhakti form of Sad Shabda, for example?
Mahodaya, I think we have, Mahodaya, the first test was after the 10th or 11th class.
Satyam.
After that, we didn't have any class test.
We had it in the class as I was asking questions of everybody.
Okay.
It was not a written test, it was an oral revision kind of a thing. This time it will be written. So we will send the question paper. You will have 1 hour to answer it at whatever time is convenient for you. Whatever day, whatever time it's convenient for you, set aside that 1 hour. But once you open the question paper, don't refer to any book or any material. So prepare well and then answer your question and submit it like you normally submit your homework. Prashna santi va?
Mahodaya?
Pruchhatu Mahodaya.
For the Subhashitam, you have asked us to do the Vibhakti for the Nama. So I didn't understand how to go about it. I want to do the Vibhakti, but I don't know how to.
Okay. We will do it at the end of the class if we have time today.
Okay, thank you.
So let us review everything that we have studied in the last 4 or 5 classes. And then we will finish the Sarvanama Shabda Dvitiya Vibhakti form. Atra Rama Shabdasya Prathama Vibhakti Sambodhana Dvitiya Vibhakti Rupani Santi. Sandeep Mahodaya. Balaka Shabdasya Prathama Sambodhana Dvitiya Rupani Trishu Vachaneshu Ekavachane Dvivachane Bahuvachane वदतु कृपया।
बालकः, बालकौ,
Hmm.
बालकाः.
Hmm.
Sambodhan is balak, balaka, balaka, not balak, balaka, balakau, balakaha. Dvitiya vibhakti will be balakam, balakau, balakan.
Uttamam, uttamam. And one thing we notice is in the Dvivachana form, Prathama Vibhakti, Sambodhana and Ditya Vibhakti, it's all Ramau or Balakau. So one less thing to worry about. If you learn in Prathama Vibhakti, the Dvivachana form, you don't have to worry about Sambodhana and Ditya. It's the same exactly. Usha Mahodaya. Sita or any Akaranta Strilinga Shabda.
Sita, Site, Sitaha, then Sita, Site, Sambodhana will be Site, Sitau, Sitaha, and Dvitiya is Sitam, Site, Sitaha.
Sitaha. Sambodhana Prathama form is also Site. Site. In this case, Akaranta Strilinga Shabda, Site, it will be Site. Uttamam, uttamam. Sri Vidya Mahodaya. Nadi or any Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda.
Gauri, Gauryau, no, Nadi, Nadyau. Sorry, I heard as Gauri. Sorry. Nadi,
any Ikaranta Shabda, whatever you want.
Okay. Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha, He Nadi, He Nadyau, He Nadyaha, Nadim, Nadyau, Nadihi.
Uttamam, uttamam. Sambodhana ekavachana rupam ekavaram punah vadatu.
He Nadi.
Nadi, not Nadi.
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 He Nadi.
He Nadi. Saswa, Saswa. Manjula Mahodaya. Phala, Napumsakalingam. Phala Shabda or any Akaranta Napumsakalingam Shabda.
Phalam, phale, phalani. He phale, he phala. Don't know about the phala.
He phala.
He phalau, he phala, phalaha, phalaha. Nadyaha, phalaha.
Ditya Vibhakti.
Phalam, phale.
Phalani.
He phal. Phalam, phale, phalani. Same thing.
So,
He phala is the Sambodhana. He phala. Okay. He phala, he phala, he phala.
Satyam, Satyam. So, Prathama Vibhakti is Phalam Phale Phalani. Sambodhana, He Phala, only the Ekavachana form is different. Dvivachana form is also Phale, Bahuvachana is also Phalani. And Ditya Vibhakti is exactly the same as Prathama Vibhakti, Phalam Phale Phalani. So, Napumsakalinga is always the easiest. And we saw in previous classes, starting with Trutiya up to Saptami, it takes the same form as Pumlinga form. So if you learn Pumlinga form, Phalena, Ramena, Ramaya, Phalaya, Ramat, Phalat, Ramasya, Phalasya, Rame, Phale. So you don't have to remember anything from Trutiya to Saptami for Napumsakalinga. Just remember Pumlinga form, you are done. And in Napumsakalinga, Akaranta, Prathama and Dvitiya Vibhakti forms are exactly the same. Sambodhana is also the same except for Ekavachana. Uttama. Hemanti Mahoday. Rama Shabda Prathama Vibhaktau Vakyani Rachayatu.
Namaste. Ramaha Vanam Gacchati. Ramau Vanam Gacchataha. Ramaha Vanam Gacchanti.
Uttamam, Uttamam. Sambodhana Rupe, Sambodhana.
Okay. Hey Ram. Hey Ram. Mama Durgunaha Harati.
Duri Karo.
Haratu. Haratu, right?
Such.
Kripaya. Okay, so Haratu. Hey Ramo. Hey Ramo. I guess I can just make a sentence. I can just say, "Hey Ramo, Vanam, Vanam, Gacchataha."
We didn't study Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Oh no, right? Okay.
Gaccha, it will be Gacchatam.
Gacchatam. Okay. So Gacchantu, Gacchatam. Okay.
Gacchatu, Gacchatam, Gacchantu.
Ramaha Kridangane Khelanti.
Rama, no.
Oh, Kridanti.
No.
No, it's Sambodhana.
Sambodhana. You have to do
Oh,
Sambodhana.
that's right. Sorry, Sambodhana. Yeah, I forgot. It's not a Bahuvachan. Pratama. Okay, so Ramaha Kridangane Kridantu.
Uttamam. Keep your sentences very simple. Three words, 4 words, you are done. One small correction, Mahoday. It is Rama.
Okay.
Not Rama. In Hindi it will be Ram. Sanskrite Rama.
Oh, yes. Rama. Okay. Hey Rama. Okay.
Astu. Uttamam. Bhagya Mahoday. Rama Shabdasya Dvitiya Vibhakti Rupani Upayujya Vakyani Rachayatu.
Ramam, Ramau, Raman, Saha, Ramam.
Aham Ramam Pashyami. Very simple sentence.
Oh, like that. Aham Ramam Pashyami, Aham Ramam Drishyami, Aham Ramau Drishyavaha.
Pashyavaha.
If Pashyava
Pashyami. Vartamana Kale Pashyami.
Pashyavaha Vayam Raman Pashyamaha. Aham
Ramam Pashyami, Aham Ramau Pashyami, Aham Raman Pashyami. I see one Rama, I see 2 Ramas, I see many Ramas. So Pashyami will remain the same. So Kriya Pada will not change based on Karma Pada Vachana. It changes only based on Kartrupada Vachana. Uttama. Chaitra Mahoday. Vakyani Rachayantu Krupaya. Akaranta Strilinge.
Mahodaya. Sita Tatra Asti. हे सीते अत्र आगच्छतु। सीताः कृपया भोजनं कृपया न महोदय, सीताः भोजनं कुर्वन्ति।
सम्यक्। किमर्थं भवती द्विवचने सम्बोधनम् उपयोगं करोति? सीते कर्ता।
ओ सीते, हाँ सीते। सीते पाठशालां गच्छतः।
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्। इदानीं सम्बोधनरूपे करोतु।
हे सीते कुत्र अस्ति?
भवती कुत्र अस्ति?
भवती कुत्र अस्ति? हे सीते कृपया उपविशतः। प्लीज सिट डाउन। उपविशताम, हाँ कृपया उपविशताम। हे सीताः मम गृहं आगच्छन्तु।
उत्तमम्। मम गृहम् आगच्छन्तु। Or you could have said whatever you use for Dvitiya, you can Dvivachanam, you can repeat it. You don't have to make 3 unique sentences. It's just practice. Dvitiya vibhaktau api rachayatu. त्रीणि वाक्यानि।
द्वितीय विभक्ति महोदय।
आम्।
सीताम्। अहं सीतां पूजयामि। अहं सीतां पूजयामि।
अहं सीते पूजयामि, अहं सीताः पूजयामि। Done. Keep it simple. Keep it very simple.
Now thinking of different sentences, Mahadaya, that's why.
अस्तु, उत्तमम्। विराज महोदय, ईकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्ग वाक्यानि रचयतु।
इदं।
You can pick any ईकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्ग. It doesn't have to be Nadi.
Okay. I'll choose Nadi only. नदी प्रवाहः सन्ति। नदी प्रवाहः सन्ति।
प्रवहति।
नदी प्रवहति। नद्यौ प्रवहतः।
उत्तमम्।
नद्याः प्रवहन्ति।
नद्यः, नदी नद्यौ नद्यः, not नद्याः।
नद्यः प्रवहन्ति।
संबोधन।
हे नदी तव नाम किम्?
उत्तमम्।
हे नद्यौ तौ नाम कः?
We didn't do tava, so okay, that's fine. हे नद्यः बहुवचने।
हे नद्यः तानि नामानि किम्?
कानि नामानि। If you say नामानि, it will be कानि।
कानि।
द्वितीया विभक्ति रूपाणि कानि? द्वितीया विभक्तौ वाक्यानि रचयतु।
What is the Kriya Pada for swim?
तरति।
रामः नदीं तरति।
नदीम् ऑब्जेक्ट कर्मपद। नद्यां तरति सप्तमी। Keep it simple. अहं नदीं पश्यामि, अहं नद्यौ पश्यामि, अहं नदीः पश्यामि. At this point, we are just trying to remember all these different forms. We will make complicated sentences later.
Okay.
Astu, astu, uttama, uttama. Vijay Menon Mahodaya. Phala Shabda, whatever you want, or any Napunsakalinga Akaranta.
Phalam is fine. Okay. Phalam madura asti.
Madhuram asti.
Madhuram asti. Okay.
Phale. Madhure.
Madhure astah. Astah is it?
Taha.
Taha.
Asti. Taha. Phalani.
Phalani. Same. Can repeat?
Please repeat. Please repeat. Keep it simple.
Phalani madhuram santi.
Madhurani santi.
Madhurani santi. Okay.
Yeah.
He phala. Sambodhanam for Napunsakalingam little. He phala.
Atra agachyatu. It's fine. It doesn't have to make logical sense. We are just revising grammar, no?
Okay. He phala agachyatu. He phale agachyatah.
Agacchatam. We haven't studied that. Agacchatam.
Okay. He phalani agachantu.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Ditya vibhakti.
Ditya vibhakti is instrument, right? Phalam. Aham phalam prashyami. Pashyami. Khadami. Okay. Aham phalam khadami. Oh, that's.
Pashyami is also correct. I am seeing a proof.
Aham phale khaditah is it?
Khadami.
Khadami. Aham. Yeah. Phalam khadami. Dvivachana. Aham phale.
So who's the karta in that sentence?
Aham.
Aham.
Okay. So khadami only. Okay.
If the karta is aham, your kriya pada will always end in me.
Okay. Same. So aham phalani khadami.
Uttamam. Uttamam. That's the whole point of this exercise.
Okay. Nice.
Astu. Srividya Mahoday. Tad shabdah पुंलिंग रूपाणि कानि?
तत् पुल्लिंग
तद्
सः
तौ
सः ओके पुल्लिंग तत् तत् तौ सः तौ ते सौ
सः तौ ते
ते ओके ते
Screen is showing something else, huh? Screen.
I'm hiding it. I'm just trying. सः तौ ते
सा ते ताः.
उत्तमं. सा ते ताः स्त्रीलिङ्गे.
तत् तौ ते
तत् ते तानि.
तत् ओके ओके सॉरी.
So here chinta mastu. I'll show you an easy way to remember. So tat except the ekavachanam form, if you put phala beside this, phale phalani in dvivachanam bahuvachanam, right?
Sorry, I
so
forgot.
Chinta mastu. I'm teaching you a way to remember. Tat te tani phalam phale phalani. So only the prathama ekavachanam form will be different. Dvivachanam and bahuvachanam will be similar to phala. Phale phalani. Same way for Pumlinga Santa. The ekavachana form is different. Ramaha, Ramau, Tau, Ramau. Bahuvachanam is different. Ramaha, but it is same. In Strilinga, it is easy. Sita, so sa, site, te, sitaha, taha.
See, sorry. Thank you.
अस्तु अस्तु कविता महोदय पुंलिङ्गरूपे वाक्यानि रचयतु पुंलिङ्गे वाक्यानि रचयतु
सः वैद्यः अस्ति तौ वैद्यौ स्वः ते वैद्याः सन्ति
उत्तमम् उत्तमं सः वैद्यः अस्ति तौ वैद्यौ सः ते वैद्याः सन्ति उत्तमं स्त्रीलिङ्गे
सा महिला सा महिला अस्ति ते महिले स्तः ताः महिलाः सन्ति
उत्तमं नपुंसकलिङ्गे
तत् फलम् अस्ति ते फले स्तः तानि फलानि सन्ति
उत्तमम् उत्तमं तत् फलमस्ति ते फले स्तः तानि फलानि सन्ति सा महिला अस्ति ते महिले स्तः ताः महिलाः सन्ति उत्तमम् उत्तमम् माधुरी महोदय एतद् शब्दः
एतत् शब्दः
आम्
तत् पुस्तकम् अस्ति
here we are showing tad shabda the different forms of tad shabda first tell me what are the forms for etad
okay
पुंलिङ्गे
ओके एषः गजः अस्ति
first tell me the different form
ओके एषः एतौ एषः एतौ एते
उत्तमम्
एषा एते एताः एतत् एते एतानि
उत्तमं वाक्यानि रचयतु
एषः गजः अस्ति तौ गजः स्तः
एतौ गजौ स्तः तौ it will rhyme गजौ तौ
स्तः ते गजाः सन्ति सा बालिका अस्ति एषा बालिका अस्ति एते बालिके स्तः एताः बालिकाः सन्ति
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्
एतत् उपनेत्रम् अस्ति एते उपनेत्रे स्तः एतानि उपनेत्राणि सन्ति
उत्तमम् उत्तमम् किं शब्द रमेश महोदय किं शब्द
हाँ महोदय किं कः कौ के का के काः किं के कानि
उत्तमं कः कौ के का के काः किं के कानि वाक्यानि रचयतु
कः बालकः कौ बालकौ के बालकाः का बालिका के बालिके काः बालिकाः किं फलं के फले कानि फलानि
उत्तमम्
अस्तु महोदय धन्यवादः
प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा अनन्तरं यद् शब्द बाला महोदय यद् शब्दः
यः यौ ये या ये याः
सत्यं नपुंसकलिङ्गे
how do I forget it
यं ये यानि
yam ye yani
so easy way to remember is kaha kau ke simply replace the ka sound with the ya sound
yeah
yah yau ye in striling also ya ye yaha instead of ka ke kaha yat ye yani क्षम्यतां not yam yat ye yani napumsaka
yat ye yani
yat ye yani वाक्यानि रचयतु
यः वैद्यः यौ वैद्यौ ये
सम्पूर्णं वाक्यं यः
they have two parts to it correct यः बालकः सः वैद्यः
एवं न महोदय यः means whoever right so यः बालकः अस्ति सः छात्रः whoever this boy is he is a student
yes यः बालकः सः छात्रः यौ बालकौ तौ छात्रौ
उत्तमं
ये बालकाः ते छात्राः
उत्तमं धन्यवादः हेमन्ती महोदय स्त्रीलिङ्गे
okay या महिलाः या महिला सा
जननी
मम सखिः
keep it simple सा जननी
okay या महिला सा जननी okay ये महिले ये महिले ते जनन्यौ
उत्तमं ये महिले ते जनन्यौ
याः महिलाः ताः जनन्यः
उत्तमं धन्यवादः हर्ष महोदय नपुंसकलिङ्गे
यत् पुस्तकं तत् रामायणं
यत् पुस्तकं तत् रामायणं
ये पुस्तके ते
रामायणे
रामायणे यानि पुस्तकानि तानि रामायणानि
that's all उत्तमं doesn't have to make sense in real life it's just an exercise अस्तु धन्यवादः रत्नाकर महोदय अस्मत् शब्दः एकवचने द्विवचने बहुवचने अहम्
Mahoday, I think I need to catch up on that.
Okay, no problem. Who has not got a chance?
Prashant, I can.
Prashant Mahodaya, Asmat Shabda. Aham,
avam, vayam.
Uttamam. Vakyani rachayatu.
Aham, Vaidya asmi.
Vaidyah.
Vaidyah asmi. Avam, Vaidye Vedyau, sorry. Vedyau Smaha.
Swaha.
Swaha, sorry. Swaha. Vayam Vedyaha Smaha.
उत्तमं. पुनः एकवारं. All three sentences.
Aham Vedya Asmi.
Vaidyah.
Avam Vedyau Swaha. Vayam Vedyaha Smaha.
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्. अहं वैद्यः अस्मि, आवां वैद्यौ स्वः, वयं वैद्याः स्मः. उत्तमम्. अस्ति मीरा महोदय. Now let us do Kriya Padas. Dhatu, the different forms, Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam.
अहं
प्रथमं रूपाणि वदतु.
अस्ति, स्तः, सन्ति.
उत्तमम्. अस्ति, स्तः, सन्ति.
अहं शिक्षिका अस्ति.
अस्मि. अहं
सॉरी महोदय. अहं शिक्षिका अस्मि.
परन्तु अत्र वयं प्रथमपुरुषे अस्ति, स्तः, सन्ति एते उपयुज्य वाक्यानि रचयामः.
ओके. तत्र फलम् अस्ति. तत्र फले स्तः. तत्र फलानि सन्ति.
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्. अद्य नारायणन् महोदय नास्ति वा?
नास्ति महोदय.
चिन्ता मास्तु. भवानी महोदय. सेम् अधातु उत्तमपुरुष.
Uttama would be Asmi, Swaha in Dvivachana, and Bahuvachana Smaha.
वाक्यानि रचयतु.
Asmi. Asmi would be
अहं छात्रा अस्मि.
Okay. Aham chatra asmi. Aham swaha
sorry.
Aham chatra asmi. Swaha chatrau.
No. Asmi is a Kriya Padam. I am a student. Asmi. Swaha. We two are. Smaha. We all are. So, Asmi, Swaha, Smaha are Kriya Pada. When we are using it for ourselves in Uttama Purusha or in first person as it's called in English. So, Aham, what are the different forms? Aham, if I want to say we two, how would I say? Aham.
Avam. And Vayam.
Aham, Avam, Vayam. So Aham will go with Asmi, Avam will go with Swaha, Vayam will go with Smaha. Now form sentences.
Aham chatra asmi. Aham chatra, avam chatram swaha.
What is Dvivachana form of chatra?
Chatrau.
Strilinga form. Chatra.
Chatre.
Avam.
Chatre. Swaha.
Uttamam.
Then Vayam. Chatre chatraha. Smaha.
Uttamam. Aham chatra asmi. आवां छात्रे वः वयं छात्राः स्मः। उत्तमम् उत्तमम्। प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? Any questions based on what we have revised so far? So in the last class we studied the Dvitiya Vibhakti forms of proper nouns for Sita, Raman, Phalam, etc. Now let us do the same for Sarvanama Pada. Sarvanama Pada in English is proper noun. So Dvitiya Vibhakti is usually karma. We studied it in the last class. Dvitiya Vibhakti represents karma, or in English an object. So aham Ramam pashyami, I am seeing Rama. But if I don't know the name of that person, I want to say I am seeing him. So then I would use tam. So aham tam pashyami, I am seeing him. So tam is somebody. Sikshakaha tam pruchhati, the teacher asks him. So tam here, so karta is sikshaha, sikshakaha, kriya is pruchhati. So the teacher is asking somebody, so that somebody is tam. So it's an object or karma pada, so it is tam, ekavachana. Same way, sikshakaha tau pruchhati. Sikshakaha, the teacher is asking somebody, two of them, in Pumlinga, two males. Bahuvachane sikshakaha tan pruchhati. Tam, tau, tan. Ramam, ramau, raman. That's how to remember it. If you remember the Rama form, the Tad, Dvitiya Vibhakti forms are also, they rhyme. Ramam, ramau, raman, tam, tau, tan. Sikshakaha Ramam pruchhati, Sikshakaha Ramau pruchhati, Sikshakaha Raman pruchhati. Same way, Sikshakaha tam pruchhati, tau pruchhati, tan pruchhati. The teacher asks one male to somebody, two males and Bahuvachana male. Clear? So if we put this in our familiar table, Prathama Vibhakti was Saha Taute, in Dvitiya Vibhakti Tam Tautan. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramau, Raman. So in Dvitiya Vibhakti, these forms are exactly the same as Rama form. So Tad, so this was for Tad. Tad means that, something that is far away. Saha means he, somebody who is far away. Eshaha is somebody who is near to us. So it is represented by Eshad Shabda. So simply add A in front of Tad form. You will get the Etad form. Except in the Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, it's not Eshaha, it will be Eshaha. Eshaha, Etau, Ete, we saw it in a previous class. The Dvitiya Vibhakti forms will be Etam, Etau, Etan. Tam, Tautan, Ramam, Ramau, Raman. Etam, Etau, Etan. Prashnaha santi va? Kim, it is the same thing, it rhymes. Sikshakaha kam pruchhati. So if you want to ask whom, if you know he's asking some male person, male student or some male, instead of Kim, you can use Kim also. But if you know the teacher is asking a male person, the Ekavachana form is kam. Dvivachana form is kau. And Bahuvachana form is kan. So again it rhymes Rama, Ramam, Ramau, Raman, Tam, Tau, Tan, Etam, Etau, Etan, kam, kau, kan. It's all rhyming. Shikshakah kam pruchhati. Which male person is the teacher asking? Shikshakah kau pruchhati. Which of the two male people is the teacher asking? Shikshakah kan pruchhati. Which of the many male students, let us say, is the teacher asking a question? Samadhanam would be Shikshakah tam pruchhati ekavachane or etam pruchhati. He is asking some, that student or this student, etam. Dvivachane Shikshakah kau pruchhati, Shikshakah tau pruchhati. Those two people, etau, these two people. Bahuvachane Shikshakah kan pruchhati, Shikshakah tan pruchhati. Those many students or those many people, male people, or etan, these people. Clear? Prashna santi va? If you know the Rama table, well, it's all rhyming. So, kaha kau ke prathama vibhakti, in Dvitiya vibhakti, kam kau kan. Same as Ramam, Ramau, Raman, tam tautan, etam ekau, etan. Let us do an abhyasa. Usha Mahoday, Arambham karo.
Guruhu tam pashyati.
Tam
pashyati. Yeah.
Dvivachane, bahuvachane.
Sorry?
Guruhu tam pashyati. The Guru sees him. That is ekavachana. What is it in dvivachana and bahuvachana? He sees two male, let us say, students. And bahuvachana, he sees many people.
Guruhu tau pashyataha.
So, Guruhu, who's the kriya in Guruhu tau pashyataha?
Yeah. Guruhu tau pashyati and Guruhu te pashyati.
Tam, tau, Ramam, Ramau.
Tan.
Ramam, Ramau, Raman. Tam, tau, tan.
So Guru tan pashyati.
Guruhu tam pashyati, Guruhu tau pashyati, Guruhu tan pashyati. Guru sees one, Guru sees two, Guru sees many. Male students, let us say. Uttama. Hemanti Mahoday.
Draupadi Eshaha. So etam Draupadi etam ahvayati. Draupadi etan ahvayati.
Dvivachane?
No, etau. Draupadi etau ahvayati. Draupadi etan ahvayati.
Uttama. Vijay Sundara Mahoday. Janakaha. Vijay Sundara Mahoday अस्ति वा? अस्तु. हर्ष महोदय.
जनकः कं बोधयति? जनके कौ जनकः कौ बोधयति? जनकः कान् बोधयति?
Uttamam. What is the meaning of your three sentences?
Janaka, whom Janaka advising? Janaka, who those two advising two people. Janakaha, many people whom advising.
उत्तमम् उत्तमम् जनकः कं बोधयति जनकः कौ बोधयति जनकः कान् बोधयति उत्तमम् स्त्रीलिंगा again the forms are similar, so if you want to use the karma but we don't know who it is, the forms are tam te taha. Just like in Punlinga, tam tau tan, in Strilinga, tam te taha. And it matches or rhymes sita. Sitam, site, sitaha. So, Shikshakaha tam pruchhati. The teacher asks her, somebody, her. Shikshakaha te pruchhati. Asks two of them. Shikshakaha taha pruchhati. Asks many of them. All of them female. So, tam te taha. In the Prathama Vibhakti, sa te taha. Dvitiya Vibhakti, tam te taha. And this is actually the easy, Strilinga Akaranta is easy because, Strilinga is easy because it rhymes exactly with Sita Shabda. Sita, Site, Sitaha, Sate, Taha, Sitam, Site, Sitaha, Tam, Te, Taha. If you remember Sita table, you will see in other in future classes also, the other vibhaktis will more or less be exactly the same. So, Tam or Tad Shabda is for others, somebody who's far off. Etam, somebody, Etad is for somebody close. So, just like it was Tam, Te, Taha, it will be Etam, Ete, Etaha. This person, Shikshakaha Etam Pashyati. Shikshaka sees this female. Ete Pashyati, these two females. Etah Pashyati, all these females. Same way in the Prashna form. Shikshakaha Kam Pruchhati. Which female is the Shikshaka asking? Shikshakaha Ke Pruchhati. Which two females? And Kaha Pruchhati. Which of the many females? An answer can be Tam or Etam or Balikam. If you know he is asking some girls, we can say Balikam or Sitam, whatever we want. Again, Shikshakaha Te Pruchhati. Which of the two is he asking? Te Pruchhati. Those two. Ete, these two, or Balike, those girls, those two girls. Kaha Pruchhati, Taha, those females. Etaha, these females. Balikaha, girls. He is asking the girls something. Again, Tam Te Taha rhymes with Tam Te Taha or Etam Ete Etaha or Sitam Site Sitaha. So Strilinga form is easy. Let's do an abhyasa. Manjula Mahoday.
Shikshika Kam Pruchhati.
Pathayati. Let us say Pathayati. Here Pathayati is here.
Okay, sorry. Shikshika Tam Pathayati. Shikshika Etam Pathayati.
Uttamam.
Shikshika Etam Ete Etaha. Etam Patayati. Shikshika Ete Patayati. Shikshika Etaha Patayati.
Arthaha kaha. What is the meaning?
Shikshika, the female teacher He's teaching one person, one she, two she's, and more than two she's.
Uttama, uttama. Ramu Mahodaya.
जननी का लिखति जननी काम लिखति जनन्यौ.
Let us keep this as Janani only. Change any one of the, pick any one word from here and convert it into Ditya Vibhakti.
Janani, Esho, Eshe.
Etam.
Janani, Etam, Padayati. Janani,
Ete.
Janani, Ete, Anayati.
Okay. Janani, Etam, पाठयति. जननी एते पाठयति. जननी एताः पाठयति. उत्तमम्. उत्तमम्. प्रशांत महोदय. पुरुषः
काम लिखति. पुरुषः के लिखति. पुरुषः का लिखति.
पुरुषः काम लिखति. पुरुषः के लिखति. पुरुषः काः लिखति. काम के काः. सीतां सीते सीताः. उत्तमम्. अर्थः कः महोदय? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग? प्रशांत महोदय. नास्ति वा? प्रशांत महोदय अस्ति वा?
Yes.
Can you tell the meaning of the three sentences you said?
Yes, sir. What is the male to whom he is writing? To whom?
What? Not to whom. What? What is he writing?
What he is writing? What? Like two things. I don't know.
Satyam. What two things is he writing, and what many things?
And what all is he writing?
So let us say he is writing a kavita. So how would you answer? Purusha
kavitam लिखति. पुरुषः कविते लिखति. पुरुषः कविताः लिखति.
Uttama. Some things are hard to translate it into English. That is true. I agree. Uttama. Same way, Napunsakalinga. Tat te tani. Luckily for us, the Dvivachana and Bahuvachana form rhyme. Phalam, phale, phalani. Except the Ekvachana, instead of phalam, instead of tam, it will be tat. So, Vanaraha tat phalam khadati. The monkey eats that fruit. Te phale khadati. Those two fruits. Tani phalani. All those many fruits. Now, tat te tani. And just like in proper nouns where we had phalam phale phalani in prathama and ditya vibhakti, in sarvanama pada for pronouns also the prathama and ditya vibhakti forms are the same. Tat te tani. Etad is etat ete etani, etat ete etani. So these. And Prashna forms is Kim ke kani. Vanaraha kim khadati. What is the monkey eating? Ke khadati. Which two things is he eating? Kani khadati. Which of the many things is he eating? Kim ke kani. Again, Prathama and Dvitiya vibhakti forms are the same. Kim ke kani, kim ke kani. Tatte tani, etat ete etani, etat ete etani. अस्तु विजयमीनन् महोदय
छात्रः तत् पठति छात्रः convert the same one to te.
Keep this same, only change.
Okay, so chhatra te patati. Chhatrah tani patati.
Chhatrah tat patati, te patati, tani patati.
Tani patati.
What is the meaning, Mahodaya?
Student is reading or learning patati, reading that book or reading that something far
and those two and those many.
Okay, the other one dvivachana, those two and those many.
Those many. Uttamam. Srividya Mahodaya.
Balika kim khadati. Balika ke khadati. Balika kani khadati.
Khadanti. Khadati. Balika.
Balika.
If the karta is in ekavachana, kriya will also be in ekavachana. It won't change based on the vachana of the karma padam. Kavita Mahodaya, antimam karoti. Na shruyate. I cannot hear you, Mahodaya.
Saha.
Do this one.
Etat pibati. Saha ete pibati. Saha etani pibati.
Uttamam. Saha etat pibati, ete pibati, etani pibati.
He drinks.
This. He drinks this. He drinks these two.
These two. He drinks all.
Many. All of these. Uttamam. And lastly, yad shabda. So the forms are yam, yau, yan. In Pumlinga. Aham yam vadami saha mama mitram. So yam, here it has to be a karma pada. So whoever I am talking to or whoever I am seeing, whoever I am doing something with, so that is yam ekavachane, dvivachane yau, bahuvachane yan. So aham yam vadami saha mama mitram. Whoever I am talking to is my friend. Yau vadami tau mama mitre. Whoever these two people are that I am talking to, they are two of my friends. Yan vadami te mitrani. Whoever these many people that I am talking to, they are my friends. Yam, ye, yan. So same thing as Rama. Ramam, Ra. Dvivachana, it will be different. So it's the same as Tad Shabda. Tam, no. Dvivachana form will be different. Yam, ye, yan. Ramam, Ramau, Raman. Tam, tau, tan. Etam, etau, etan. Kim, kau, ka. Yam, ye, yan. Yau, so no, my mistake. It's yau only, not ye. Yam, yau, yan. It will be rhyming with tad and etad and kim. Shamyatam. Yam, yau, yam. यह यौ ये प्रथम विभक्ति यम यौ यान द्वितीय विभक्ति. Same way in स्त्रीलिंगा याम ये याः. हम याम पश्यामि सा मम भगिनी. Whoever I am seeing, she is my sister. ये पश्यामि ते भगिन्यौ. Whichever two females I am looking at, they are my sister. याः पश्यामि ताः भगिन्यः. All the many females that I am seeing, whoever I am seeing, they are my sisters. Yam ye yaha. Ya ye yaha prathama vibhakti. Yam ye yaha dvitiya vibhakti. Finally, in Napunsakalinga, yat ye yani. Vanarah yat khadati tat amraphalam. Whatever the Vanara is eating, that's an amraphalam. Ye khadati amraphale. Whichever two he is eating, they are mangoes. Yani khadati tani amraphalani. Whichever many he is eating, they are all mangoes. Yat ye yani. So again, the prathama and dvitiya forms are the same in Napumsakalinga. Abhyasam kurmaha. Oh, I forgot to change this. Chintamastu. One sentence will come. Ramesh Mahodaya.
शिक्षकः यां पृच्छति ताः छात्रः. तां छात्रः.
पुनः या में स्त्रीलिंग. तो
शिक्षकः यं पृच्छति तं छात्रः.
सः छात्रः. यम is object, कर्मपदम सर्वनामा for पुंलिंगा. तो सः
छात्रः.
और स्त्रीलिंगे यां पृच्छति ताः
छात्रः.
उत्तमम्. माधुरी महोदय.
Whomever Shabari is going to is Rama. Namati. Okay. Shabari yam namati saha Ramah.
उत्तमम्. शबरी यम नमति सः रामः. Instead of ekavachana, convert to dvivachana and bahuvachana.
Shabari yau namati और वंदती. तौ रामौ.
उत्तमम्.
शबरी यान वंदती ते रामाः.
ताः. रामः रामं रामः रामौ रामाः. ताः रामाः. उत्तमम्. उत्तमम्.
Bhanuvodaya, it's saha tau te, right? Ta. Ta is for female.
Saha tau te. Kshamyatam. Okay. Madhuri Mahodaya was right. I was wrong. Satyam. Satyam. Chaitra Mahodaya.
सीता ये पश्यति ते कुशलवा च.
So kusha and lava is dvivachanam, right? So will it be ye? Yam.
Kusha lavau, right? Lavau.
Satyam. Parantu yam अस्ति वा ये अस्ति वा किम् अस्ति यत् शब्द
ये महोदय द्विवचन
द्विवचने पुल्लिङ्गे किम् अस्ति
यौ
यौ
सीता यौ पश्यति ते तौ कुशलवौ
उत्तमं सीता यौ पश्यति तौ कुशलवौ और कुशः लवः च either way is fine. Viraj Mahoday.
She whom the teacher is teaching is a student. Ya shikshakah shikshati or patati taha chatraha.
Ya va karmapadam.
Okay.
Whom, he, whom.
Yeah. If it is a male pullinga, it will be yam.
It's a female. So, whom, that female whom the teacher is teaching is a student.
Yam patati.
Pathayati.
Yam patayati. Sa shikshaki. Oh, something.
Chhatra. Shikshika yam pathayati sa chhatra. The teacher whom is teaching, he is a student. Dvivachane bahuvachane parivartayatu. Instead of yam, let us say she is teaching two females. How would you say that?
Shikshika ye patayati sa chhatre.
Te chhatre.
Te chhatre.
Bahuvachane.
Shikshika yaha patayati taha chatraha.
Uttamam. शिक्षिका यां पाठयति सा छात्रा ये पाठयति ते छात्रे याः पाठयति ताः छात्रा. उत्तमम्.
Bhanu Mahoday, here if the student is a male, then it would be yam, no? Shikshika yam pathayati saha chhatra.
So that is why I wrote here he whom the teacher is teaching. So the student is a female. जिसको टीचर पढ़ा रहा है, so it's pointing to a female student.
But here, like the teacher you said is like it's not also clear, huh?
Shikshika, you can make Shikshaka also. That is
okay. That's okay. Thank you.
But Bhanu Mahoday, will maybe hypothetical, I don't know, instead of the third question, the two that Sita sees are Kusha and Lava, right? If it is, say, the two that Dasharatha is seeing is Rama and Sita, what would we use in that case? Rama, meaning
Pumlinga form only. Whenever we have a mixed gender situation, we always use the Pumlinga form.
Okay, thank you. धन्यवाद.
करोतु महोदय, विजयमीनन् महोदय, एतत् करोतु.
Whomever Rama bows to is Kaushalya.
So the object is Kaushalya.
Lady. So Yam. Ramah Yam Bo is bowing down his Prarthana Namati. Okay. Ramah Yam Namati Sa Kaushalya.
उत्तमं रामः यां नमति सा कौसल्या. Okay, let us make it a little bit simpler. Instead of saying Kausalya, let us say Janani. Okay, whomever Rama goes to is mother, let us say. So Ramaha yam namati sa Janani.
Sa
So
Janani.
now let us say there are two mothers.
रामः ये नमति ते जनन्यः
नदी
नद्यो so jananyo
रामः ये नमति ते
jananyo and many mothers ramah yaha namati taha jananyah.
उत्तमं रामः याः नमति ताः जनन्यः. उत्तमं.
धन्यवादः.
संदीप महोदय.
Whatever the Punsaklinga mother is cooking is a roti. Janani yat
roti.
Sorry.
Roti.
Roti. Acha. So strilinga.
Rotika in Sanskritam is rotika. Akaranta strilinga.
Okay. So yam. So then Janani yam pachayati. Pachati. Pachati. Sa rotika.
द्विवचने बहुवचने
जननी ये पचती ते रोटिका रोटी के ते रोटी के.
सत्यं बहुवचने
जननी याः पाचति ताः रोटिकाः.
सत्यं. It's not pachati,
पचति.
याम पचति सा रोटिका, ये पचति ते रोटिके, याः पचति ताः रोटिका. उत्तमम्. बाला महोदय.
Whatever he is giving is a book. Saha.
नपुंसकलिंग.
Saha yam.
Pustakam is a napumsakalinga.
Pustakam. So it is Napunsakalinga. Saha kam dadati tat pustakam.
Yat dadati.
Yat dadati. Sorry. Saha yat dadati. Saha tat pustakam.
सः यत् ददति तत् पुस्तकम्.
सः यत्.
So pustakam, do this in dvivachana and bahuvachana also, please. He's giving two books and many books. Bala Mahodaya. अस्ति वा बाला महोदय?
सः यत् ददति तत् पुस्तकं. That is
एकवचनम्.
द्विवचनं will be सः
ये
ते एते ददति ते पुस्तके.
ये ददति ते पुस्तके. सः
यानि ददति तानि पुस्तकानि.
It should be
dadati or
dadati. It should be dadati, not dadati. Dadati is bahuvachanam.
Dadati.
Dadati. My mistake. मीरा महोदय, अन्तिमं वाक्यं करोतु.
गुरुः पाठयति गुरुः रामायणम् is नपुंसकलिङ्ग so गुरुः यत् पाठयति तत् रामायणं गुरुः ये पाठयति ते रामायणे गुरुः यानि पाठयति ते तानि रामायणानि
उत्तमं गुरुः यद् बोधयति पाठयति तत् रामायणं ये बोधयति ते रामायणे यानि बोधयति तानि रामायणम् Usha Mahoday, the last one is already given in Ekavachana. Please convert this to Dvivachana and Bahuvachana.
Sa ye likhati tat abhyase.
Te abhyase.
Te abhyase. Sa yani likhati tani abhyasanani.
Abhyasani.
Abhyasani.
Uttam. So the last one is for Asmat Shabda, when the object is me. So we have seen Aham, Avam, Vayam, I, the two of us, and many of us. When Uttama Purusha, when I am in the object form or karma form, then it will be Mam, Avam, Asman. So Sikshakaha Mam Pruchati. The teacher asked me, Sikshakaha Avam Pruchati. He asked the two of us. Asman Pruchati. He asked all of us or many of us. Mam, Avam, Asman. Sikshakaha Mam Pashyati. Avam Pashyati. Asman Pashyati. So, Mam, Avam, Asman. In Prathama Vibhakti, it was Aham, Avam, Vayam. Dvitiya Vibhakti, Mam, Avam, Asman. In Dvitiya Vibhakti, there are optional forms. Mam also has an optional form of Ma. Avam has an optional form of Now. And Asman has an optional form of Naha. It's important to learn these forms because you will see these in many shlokas. Sahana vavatu, sahanau bhunaktu. So the shloka doesn't say Saha avam bhunaktu, it says Saha nau bhunaktu. Good. So Aham Avam Vayam Prathama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti is Mam, Avam, Asman. Optional form of Mam is Ma, Avam optional form is Now, Asman's optional form is Naha. Prashna santi va? Let's do this abhyasa very quickly. Kavita Mahoday.
Janani Mam Rakshati.
Dvivachana, Bahuvachana.
Janani
Avam Asman.
Janani Avam Rakshati. Janani Asman Rakshati.
Uttamam. Ramesh Mahodaya.
Mahodaya. Saha Mam Patayati. Saha Avam Patayati. Saha Asman Patayati.
Uttamam. Chaitra Mahodaya.
Dharmaha Mam Rakshati. धर्मः आवां रक्षति, धर्मः अस्मान् रक्षति.
Pati is also the same. No, Kshamyata. First. Pati is also the same. Rakshati, Pati, they are both the same. First. Virat Mahodaya.
अध्यापकः मां पाठयति, अध्यापकः आवां पाठयति, अध्यापकः अस्मान् पाठयति.
Sandeep Mahodaya, last one.
सा अहं वदति, सा नौ वदति, सा
Ekvachana form is what?
माम. सा माम वदति, सा नौ वदति, सा नः वदति.
You wanted to do the optional form, huh? Okay, fine. Astu, uttamam. It's 9:30, so let us stop here. If you have more questions, I will stay back for a few minutes after the class. We didn't have time to do shlokas, we will do them the next time. Usha Mahodaya, Mangala Shlokam vadatu.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवादः महोदय. सर्वेषां धन्यवादः. अस्तु.
धन्यवादः.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.